Okay, in this video I will discuss about Python Boolean. What is Python Boolean? Python Booleans actually indicates true or false. If the logic is true according to your direction, then it will give true. It will give an output that is true. Or if the value is not actually matching with your direction, then it will give a false result. See, I have given a logic that is b. If b greater than a, if the value b is greater than a, then print true, else print false. That means if b doesn't greater than a, then print false. Look, it is printing false because our value is not greater than a. But if we'll give 55, see, it is giving result true. Actually, this is the actual process. The Python booleans actually will give you the true or false according to your uh, logic, according to your direction. Look, I have directed my code that if the value of b is greater than a, then print true or print false. This is the actual result. I wish you have understood about Python booleans. If you have any question, then write it into the Q&A section. I will try to clear the concept as soon as possible.